Good morning, my dear. I hope you all are fine. Today, I will discuss two topics: ways to conserve natural resources, and the next one, environmental protection and conservation. These all are the part of chapter 1, but this is the last part of chapter 1. Now, first of all, Now, first of all, you have to know how you can conserve natural resources. You see, very, very important points are given, my dear. Yes, yes. First one is use alternative source of power like solar and energy. You all are knowing. Yes, you all are knowing, my dear, these energy sources are bio-friendly because they do not produce harmful gases, my dear, that damage the ozone layer. But listen, my dear, one benefit that we have, they are less expensive to use, my dear, like our petroleum products that are cheap, that are not cheaper, my dear, costlier, my dear. But when you will compare this one with the solar, yes, then obviously you can say that yes, it is less expensive. Now the next part, that is planting trees to prevent soil erosion. Listen, my dear, it helps in preventing soil erosion. Also act as home for insects and birds. You know, birds have their nest on the trees. Next one, practicing judicious ways to conserve water in homes. Listen, what do we do? While washing hand, we just open the tap continuously. When it is, next part is rainwater harvesting. See, collected rainwater can be later used for irrigation and also for watering your plants. Next topic, that is practicing on-site conservation of wildlife. See, it involves, my dear, protecting the protected areas set aside, such as wildlife sanctuaries, parks, biosphere, reserves, etc. This helps in conserving endangered plant and animal species. So, using biogas in your home. You all know biogas is not harmful for your environment, my dear. So we should use the biogas, yes, for cooking, my dear, because it is an alternative that can be used instead of LPG. You know, my dear, biogas is mainly produced from cattle dung. Listen, it is not only useful for the biogas, yes, it is useful for the manures also. That means the farmers, they have the crop, they can mix the manures, yes, with the soil, so that they have more production of crop. Now the next one is using biofuels. See, biofuels are mainly from plant species, my dear. Our government is also focusing on biofuels. Biofuels are bio-friendly, my dear, because they reduce our pollution. As your petroleum product, diesel and petrol, yes, that are not good for the environment. Next one, yes, walk or cycle to nearby places where you can avoid the car. If suppose you have to go very near, maybe 100 meters away from your home, don't take bike, don't take car. It's better that you take bicycle or you walk and reach over there. Next one, Planting trees in home compounds. You know, my dear, trees give shades. It just gives shelter to birds also. And it is also helpful, my dear, yes, to convert carbon dioxide into oxygen. Now, the next part, that is practicing crop rotation. Now, what is crop rotation? Crop rotation means what? Seasonal crops. Yes, if you will have the same crop for your soil, what will happen, my dear? Your soil fertility will be less. Is constructive reservoir. Now, constructing reservoir can regulate the amount of water that is used daily. And these waters which you have stored, that water can be used for, yes, what? For the plant. It can be used for hydroelectric. Now, turn off the car engine while waiting, measure traffic jam. If suppose you are in traffic jam, it's better that you just switch off your car. Yes, don't on your car, otherwise your petrol will be consumed and it will harm the environment also. Next part, that is carry a cloth bag when go for shopping. Whenever you are going for shopping, don't, yes, use the plastic. You take the jute bag. Yes, you can do the shopping with that bag. Otherwise, if you are using the plastic, what will happen? This plastic, you know, they cannot be decomposed. And it is harmful for our environment too. Next one, say no to paper whenever possible. Make use of e-bills and, yes, you are knowing about the e-bills and email. Suppose you are going to pay the electricity bill. Yes, you have to be not in a line, in a queue. It's better that be at home. Don't no need to go to office, electricity bill office, and there you pay the money. It's better that be at home and do the e-payment. And once e-payment is done, e-bill will be generated. Not only that, even you have to send any message, or you are going to invite some person, you have the different platforms. You have the email, you have the WhatsApp, you have the Facebook, many are there. Using that, you can intimate your information to your relative. Now, the next part is environmental protection and conservation. Now, you see, my dear, when individuals, organisms, wait, let me clear first. Yes, when individual, yes, organizations, societies and governments undertake the protection of their natural environment, it is called environmental protection and conservation. Just now I discussed many points that are also related to, yes, this one. The aim is to safeguard and preserve our precious natural resources by reserving trends and repairing damages already imposed on our environment. The best example, petroleum product. Yes, it is not abandoned, my dear. Day by day, we are extracting it. Even the coals, we are extracting it from the mines. A time will come, we will be not having coal. So you have to be dependent on alternate source. So there are many alternate sources, understood, by which we can sort out our problems, and it will be not affecting our environment too. Now, come one by one. First one, buy appliances like refrigerators, washing machines, etc. with the government's energy star label. You know, when you purchase your refrigerator, you have seen out of 5, 3 stars, 2 stars. What does it mean? You will be having more star. It means it will consume less electricity. Star label. Next one, when you buy a car, look for one with the highest gas mileage and lowest emission like CNG. You know, yes, in some cities already CNGs are used, my dear. This is called compressed natural gas. You see in Delhi, your cars, your big vehicles, that is bus, they all are working. Yes, these all buses, cars are working with CNG kit. There we have to, there they have to fill the CNG, and as per that, yes, car can move on the road, because diesel and petrol, that are not good for our environment, my dear. So CNG is the best one, but we are also having the alternate one also, like the solar, using the solar plate that will be fixed, that will be placed on the top of your car. Using that, it will, battery will be charged, and according to that, you can move from one place to another place. Now, next one, you can use the public transport or carpooling. Public transport means what? Suppose many of the person, they have to go from here to Gandhi Maidan. So it's better that, why not that they will go by bus. Even carpooling, just I have already discussed. If many employees, they are just living in the same, or they are working the same organization, and they live at the same place, and they have to go for work every day, why not they go for carpooling? That means all the peoples, yes, in societies, whatever, they can hire a car and they all can go together, or a personal car can also be used for carpooling too. Next one is use LED light. You know, my dear, earlier we were having CFL. Yes, it consumes more, yes, energy, my dear, electricity energy, my dear. So if you want that less electricity bill will be, so why not you switch over to LED light? Same light what you will be getting with the CFL, same you will be getting with the LED light too. Now the next part, that is turning off light saves energy. Yes, we also often do such type of mistake, my dear. Suppose if no one is in home, what we do, we switch off, we switch on the light and go outside. Even in our home, no one is there. Suppose a room is not having any member, my dear. If the AC is on, you must have to switch off the AC. What we do, we just let the AC on, because if it will be on, it is going to affect your environment, as well as it is going to affect your personal expense also. Whatever the personal expense that you have for your family members, yes, there you have to anyhow sacrifice, because your electricity bill will be higher, my dear. Next one, reduce the use of paper, which means reduction of in cutting down the trees. Yes, see, if you'll be using the papers, what will happen? Surely, yes, trees will be cut, my dear. But you have made a mind that, or you have the mind makeup that I am not going to use the paper. I will be using the gadgets. Even I have to send mail. Yes, I will use email. Even I have to, intimate to my relative, yes, about any program. I will be using the WhatsApp. I will be not using the envelope, postcard. Yes, so for sending any message, my dear. Next one, the last one, that is use rechargeable battery. You know, my dear, many, yes, many cars you have seen, even not only cars, many, yes, auto rickshaw you have seen, yes, that having battery, my dear. They are not working, or they are not running by the help of diesels, by the help of petrols. They have the batteries, and that battery can be recharged. You know, many batteries are, yes, so at our home also, but these batteries are not the rechargeable battery. Once that battery is used, you have to throw it. But the rechargeable batteries, that can be used again and again for a long time, my dear. So these were the topics. I hope you have understood these all topics. If you have